All right, we have the second example here that we're going to use with our distributive property. Now, we have to be super careful because sometimes we see that we have a negative, we know there's a 1 there, even though it's not really there. We just know -1 bracket or multiplied by 2x plus 1. We're going to use the distributive property, the exact same thing we used in the previous video, in order to solve this equation. Sorry, to simplify this expression. So, whenever we multiply by an integer by bracket, we can use the distributive property and distribute this multiplication through the brackets. So, -1 multiplied by 2x becomes -2x. Okay, we've done that one. Now we have to multiply -1 multiplied by 1, negative multiplied by positive equals a negative, so that becomes a -1. That's how we deal with that. You have to be extremely careful with these situations. There's another one here. That we're going to take a quick look at is, here's another expression that we want to simplify. X plus 1 minus bracket 2x plus 2. So let's rewrite this. X plus 1, and we know there's a 1 here, so we know we have to use the distributive property. -1 multiplied by 2x. -1 times 2x equals -2x. Then we have to distribute that. -1 multiplied by 2. 1 multiplied by 2 equals -2. Now what I have to do is what you've been doing at the very beginning. We want to collect like terms. There's a like term. There's a like term. Here's a like term. Here's a like term. Let's collect them. So 1x minus 2x equals -1x or -x. And we have +1 minus 2 equals -1. Hope that helps. Email me if you need some help.